Bring nature indoors with beautiful indoor trees that can transform your living room into a fresh, elegant, and inviting space. From graceful palms to lush tropical plants, these trees add height, texture, and character without demanding direct sunlight. With the right placement, watering, and care, you can enjoy a stunning green corner even in lower-light living spaces. Let's discover the most beautiful indoor trees that can turn your living room into a lush, stylish, and refreshing green retreat. Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa. Swiss cheese plant is a spectacular indoor tree-like plant that can bring a lush, tropical atmosphere to your living room. Its large, glossy green leaves develop unique natural holes and splits, giving it an eye-catching appearance. It prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate moderate indoor light, making it suitable for living rooms without direct sunlight. Water when the top layer of soil feels dry, and avoid keeping the soil constantly wet. A well-draining potting mix and a pot with drainage holes will help maintain healthy roots. Give it enough space to spread and provide support if the stems become tall. With simple care, Monstera can become a stunning living room centerpiece. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. Fiddle leaf fig is a stunning indoor tree that can bring a sophisticated, tropical feel to your living room. Its large, glossy, violin-shaped leaves create an impressive focal point, especially when placed in a beautiful decorative pot. It prefers bright, indirect light, but it can tolerate moderate indoor light when properly cared for. Avoid keeping it in deep darkness, as its growth may become slow and leaves can lose their vibrant appearance. Water when the top few inches of soil become dry, and provide good drainage. Keep it away from cold drafts and sudden temperature changes for healthy, attractive growth. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Rubber plant is a beautiful indoor tree that can instantly make your living room look greener, fresher, and more elegant. Its large, glossy leaves create a bold tropical appearance and look especially attractive in a stylish decorative pot. It prefers bright, indirect light but can also adapt to moderate indoor light, making it a good choice for rooms without direct sunlight. Water it when the top layer of soil becomes dry, and make sure the pot has proper drainage. Keep it away from cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. With simple care and occasional leaf cleaning, this attractive tree can become a stunning focal point in your living room. Money tree, Pachira aquatica. Looking for an indoor tree that feels both elegant and tropical? The money tree is a wonderful choice for a living room. Its slender, braided trunk and clusters of fresh green leaves give it a distinctive appearance that instantly adds character to any corner. It doesn't require harsh direct sunlight and performs well in bright to moderate indirect light. Place it near a naturally bright window where the sunlight is filtered. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings rather than keeping it constantly moist. A spacious decorative pot can highlight its beautiful form. With its graceful shape and easygoing nature, the money tree can bring a refreshing touch of greenery to your home. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae. Bring a touch of the tropics into your living room with the bird of paradise. Its enormous, paddle-shaped leaves create a dramatic display and can make an ordinary corner feel like a luxurious indoor garden. This plant appreciates plenty of bright, indirect light and can handle some gentle morning sunlight, although it may grow more slowly in lower light spaces. Give it room to spread because its leaves can become quite large as the plant matures. Water when the upper portion of the soil has dried and avoid letting it sit in soggy soil. With its bold foliage and impressive height, Bird of Paradise can easily become the showpiece of a spacious living room. Weeping Fig, Ficus benjamina. Weeping fig is an elegant indoor tree that can add height, greenery, and a graceful touch to your living room. Its slender branches and dense, glossy leaves create a beautiful natural shape that looks wonderful in a decorative pot. It prefers bright, indirect light but can adapt to moderate indoor light, making it suitable for spaces without direct sunlight. Water when the top layer of soil becomes slightly dry, and avoid overwatering. Keep it in a stable location because sudden changes in light or temperature may cause leaf drop. With occasional pruning and regular leaf cleaning, weeping fig can grow into a lush, attractive indoor tree and become a charming focal point in your living room. Yucca cane, Yucca gigantea. Yucca cane is a striking indoor tree that brings a clean, architectural look to the living room. Its sturdy stems and long, sword-shaped green leaves give it a naturally bold appearance, making it perfect for adding height beside a sofa, cabinet, or empty corner. It prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate moderate indoor light, so it doesn't need strong direct sunshine. One of its biggest advantages is that it doesn't like frequent watering. Let the soil dry considerably before watering again, and always use a well-draining pot. With its upright growth and low-maintenance nature, Yucca cane is a great choice for creating a stylish green corner without demanding too much attention. Areca palm, Dipsas luteolens. If you want your living room to feel like a calm tropical retreat, the Areca palm is a wonderful choice. Its graceful, arching fronds create a soft, flowing silhouette that instantly fills an empty space with lush greenery. Unlike many indoor trees, it doesn't need harsh direct sunlight and is happiest in bright, filtered or indirect light. It can also adapt to moderate indoor light, although growth may be slower. Keep the soil lightly moist but never waterlogged, and allow the surface to dry slightly between waterings. Place it in a spacious corner where its feathery leaves have room to spread. With its elegant foliage and refreshing presence, Areca palm can beautifully transform a living room into a green sanctuary. Umbrella tree, Heptapleurum arboricola. Umbrella tree is a charming indoor tree known for its clusters of glossy leaflets that spread out like the spokes of an umbrella. Its naturally bushy shape makes it an excellent choice for adding greenery and height to a living room without making the space feel too crowded. It prefers bright, filtered light but can also grow in moderate indoor light, making it suitable for areas away from direct sunshine. Allow the soil to become slightly dry before watering again, and avoid leaving excess water around the roots. Regular trimming can encourage a fuller, more attractive shape. Placed beside a sofa or in an empty corner, this versatile tree can create a fresh and welcoming atmosphere. Ponytail palm, Bucharnia ricavata. The ponytail palm is a perfect choice when you want something unusual rather than an ordinary leafy indoor tree. Its thick, rounded trunk gives it a sculptural appearance, while its long, narrow leaves cascade from the top like a green fountain. The plant stores water in its trunk, so it naturally handles dry conditions and doesn't need frequent watering. It prefers bright, indirect light but can adjust to moderate indoor light when given proper care. Let the soil dry thoroughly before watering again. Its compact, quirky shape works beautifully beside furniture or in a stylish flower pot. With its distinctive appearance and easygoing nature, ponytail palm can add personality to any living room.